As Samp is an AI company, we will make sure that the reality capture is quickly transformed into an inventory of all the equipment that is on site. We of course focus on process equipment, and as Samp is a workspace, it will not only show you the result of the AI, but also allow you as specialists to correct the AI proposal. So it's very important because human is always in the loop with Samp. It's not only an AI giving a black box result. Beyond doing this, it's also possible, of course, to export the inventory to feed, for example, the initial loading of a common data environment or asset management system. Beyond that, with Samp, as the individual objects have been detected, it's also possible to link them with a P&ID or PFD to check the consistency between the actual layout and the single line diagrams. So here, for example, we see that this pressure indicator is not highlighted in green because it was not found on site. So before Samp, everyone knows that there are discrepancies between the reality and the technical documents. After Samp, everyone knows where the discrepancies are. Samp is really used to build a single context that is both reliable and shared.